Cheetah, tiger. Is that a tiger or cheetah? Cheetah.
Yes.
What's the difference between a cheetah and a tiger?
Just
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you too. I come from Tanzania, my friend from Holland, but we're traveling all over.
In Tanzania?
Yeah.
Welcome to South Africa.
thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the visit.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
And how
we
is
really
South
enjoy
Africa treating you guys so far?
Actually, South Africa is treating us nice. We're enjoying being here. If African map is like this, where we are is here. Okay, I come from Tanzania. Thank you very much. Yeah.
From Kilimanjaro?
Yeah. Actually, that is the highest mountain in Africa. 3 different countries like from Holland, South Africa, and Tanzania. Taking me.
Enjoy your stay.
Okay, enjoy too.
Subscribe to Welcome DC.
Everything is full booked.
Welcome to David.
Alright. We're coming from somewhere there. Woo! Okay. Can you say hello to my audience?
Hi.
Hey. Yeah.
I'm Crystal.
Crystal. Okay. So let's go inside, guys. Wow. Wow, look at these guys. But the funny thing is you see? Okay, main entrance to museum, Discovery Center, this side. Okay guys, so we're supposed to go this side, but it's 2 sides, this side and that side. And yesterday I was yeah, we can go inside here. Wow. Right of administration is right. Please report to the reception desk. So this is the map, and this is the reception. Where we are, you are here. In front there is elephants. Elephant is here. You see? Okay, let's start, guys. Maybe we can start this side. Wow. Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah. This is buffalo right here. Okay. This is a lion. Wow. And cheetah, tiger. Is that a tiger or cheetah? Cheetah.
Yes.
What's the difference between a cheetah and a tiger?
The stripes on the body.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you too. I come from Tanzania, my friend from Holland, but we're traveling all over.
In Tanzania?
Yeah.
Welcome to South Africa.
Thank
I
you.
hope you enjoyed the visit.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
And how
we
is
really
South
enjoy
Africa
it.
treating you guys so far?
Actually, South Africa is treating us nice. We're enjoying being here.
I forgot to tell you.
Yeah.
Let me ask first. I don't think camera is allowed.
Can I take a picture? Yes.
Do you also have a camera?
I have a camera. I use my phone
Most of the
inside.
time.
Use your phone, don't use a camera because
No.
if you use a camera, you have to pay extra money.
Okay.
Because cameras, those one are professional cameras.
Yeah, the
It's
big
like
one.
you're going to use
To
our
use
pictures
them.
or something. So if
Okay.
you're using a phone, even this one, I think
It's
it's
small. Thank you, sir.
Please,
I use this now. So no.
Okay.
No.
Thank you, sis. Appreciate it. Okay. So, here we go. Yeah, we're getting getting some instructions here. Okay, maybe let's see on this side. So guys, yeah, we take some pictures here, but it's fine. Wow, elephant. Wow, it's a very, very big museum. And okay, let's go inside. Wow. And guys, this is the bed place. So here we can learn a lot about this bed. Oh, there's a mirror right here. I saw it, maybe there's a glass. Okay. Wow. This bed, we call it bundi in Swahili. Okay. Oh, look at that one. Okay, I think that is like a bed trap. Okay, let's have a time, guys, to read some instructions so that we can get to know what is really going on right here. But remember, we're in the reading place until someone up there. See? Okay. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Beads of South Africa. Yeah, guys, when you have a time, make sure you remember to visit this historical site. It's called the National Museum. Wow. Okay. Let's continue over here. So that means okay. The mammals of South Africa. Color beads. Remember, when built the house. African glass. Oh, okay. Big. Wow. Yeah. Oh, penguin. I don't know penguin if it's an English name or is a Swahili name. We always call it penguin, penguin, penguin. Wow. Oh, flamingo. There's a flamingo. And these ones here is a narina, trogon. Okay. Wow. Oh, yeah. And I'm asking myself, like, wow, it's amazing. Guys, I feel like I can take this and try the meat. Back in years, I eat this. It was around 2007-8. I ate that thing, and the meat was very nice. And I like the white with eggs house. They say ground nesting birds often having very camouflaged eggs. Plover crane. Okay. We try. It's like a jungle, and there are the birds on the trees and stuff like that. You guys, this is mess, man. Look, this is the children. This is the child. This is her mama, and this is the daughter. Wow, this mouse can swallow someone, I tell you, man. Okay, they call it whitey pelican. Pelican, that's the name. White pelican, okay. Wow. Oh, guys, make sure you go on YouTube. Full video is there. Things used to discover everything you see inside here. Camera, I don't know other things, digital camera, scales, taking some notes. A lot of things. These are the things used to discover everything you see in here, guys. I'm gonna show you. Wait. You see? Yeah, magnifying glass. You see? Dino light. Oh, other things I never even see. You see? Wow. These people did a nice job, man. Make sure that today you have the time at least to see this. What is this? Is magnifying glass, the big one. Wow, man. You all did a good job, man. Until today we visit this place and see how South Africa is beautiful. Wow. Okay. Excavation.
You find all this stuff in the ground.
Yeah. Everything they found under the ground. Oh. I see tripod here. That guy was a surveyor. Wow. Guys, tripod is optical level. They show you how they got this information. It was not easy, so you must appreciate it. That's why, guys, I'm always telling you, like, everything when you see, it was not easy. This is how they were fighting until they got these things. You see like this. It was not easy to dig until you get these things. It's not easy, you must appreciate. So guys, you must give a like this video just to appreciate what is going on behind the skin, you know. We're struggling a lot. Sometimes they tell us like, go outside with your camera and stuff like that, but we're trying our best to make sure that we bring a bread on the table. Hey. This is not fair, man. Oh, this guy. Hey, don't play with this. Is it a cheetah or tiger?
Cheetah.
Or leopard?
Maybe
Wow.
panda.
This one is playing with her baby. Wow. Okay. Very big place, like. This one started off. Let's go. National Museum of South Africa, which found here in Pretoria. Okay guys, I hope so you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'm out of this National Museum in Pretoria here, and now I'm going out. I hope so you've enjoyed a lot. Be sure to give us thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel. See you next time to the next video. I appreciate your support. Clicking on the subscribe button somewhere down here. Thank you very much for your time. See you next time. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Yeah, we are out of the museum site. You see? Okay, I come from Tanzania. Thank you very much. Yeah.
From Kilimanjaro?
Yeah. Actually, that is the highest mountain in Africa. 3 different countries, like from Holland, South Africa, and Tanzania. Taking me.
Yo, well, enjoy your stay.
Okay, enjoy too.
Subscribe to Welcome DC.
Everything is full booked.
Welcome to David.
Alright. We're coming from somewhere there. Woo! Okay. Can you say hello to my audience?
Hi.
Hey, yeah.
I'm Crystal.
Crystal.